Divide 861 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 6 and it is 26. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 0. So 861 divided by 3 is 287. So this much for today and thanks for watching.